So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to invest on the KOHO Financial application. So once the app's opened up, make sure in the bottom left you're on the home page. So if you're on accounts or if you're on payments, etc., go to the bottom left and press home. Then at the top where it says spend, credit, save, invest, you guessed it, go ahead and select invest. Then when you're on the investment page right here, you can actually go ahead and check different cryptocurrencies that you can invest into through the KOHO application. So right here at the top, KOHO Crypto is here. Go ahead if you want to do this and proceed, press on Explore Crypto. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you're able to go ahead and view the different cryptocurrencies you can invest into. So where it says top crypto assets, you can go ahead and do that. You can also just go to where it says latest, gainers, etc. And most importantly, just go ahead and press on see all to see the bunch of different crypto assets you can invest into. So you have the classics here. You have Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, USDC, Solana. Nothing super small. There's a bunch of different options right here. So if any of those look good, you can do that, but also go to the bottom. You can press on Get Started. Then on this page right here, you have to follow the next steps in order to actually, make this available in your app. But basically, for example, if you were to go back and select Bitcoin, for instance, you can go ahead and view Bitcoin. If you wanted to press buy, you can press buy and then proceed this way with getting a crypto trading account set up here for you. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how to invest on the KOHO Financial application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.